Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Many people dream of tax-free income in retirement, and a Roth IRA can make that a reality. If you have an old 401k, converting it to a Roth IRA might be a smart financial play. It allows your money to grow tax-free, and then you can withdraw it completely free of taxes when you retire, which is a huge advantage. This strategy is particularly powerful for long-term financial planning. Before you dive into the conversion, there are a few important things to consider. Typically, you'll first roll your 401k funds into a traditional IRA. From that traditional IRA, you then complete the conversion into your Roth IRA. It's usually a two-step process, not a direct jump, so keep that in mind. Always confirm with your current 401k administrator if they facilitate these types of rollovers, as some plans might have specific requirements or procedures. Here's how the process generally works. First, make sure you have both a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA set up. Then, contact your old 401k provider and request a direct rollover of your funds into your traditional IRA account. This ensures the money never directly touches your hands, avoiding potential tax penalties. Once the funds land in your traditional IRA, you then instruct that custodian to convert those assets into your Roth IRA. Now for the most critical part, the taxes. When you convert pre-tax money from a traditional 401k or IRA to a Roth IRA, that amount becomes taxable income in the year of the conversion. This means you will owe income taxes on the entire converted amount, so expect a significant tax bill for that year. It's a pay now, save later scenario, and it's essential to have funds set aside to cover this tax liability. So, is a Roth conversion the right move for you? It's generally most beneficial if you anticipate being in a higher tax bracket during your retirement years than you are now. Your current income level, your overall financial picture, and how long you have until retirement all play a big role. It's truly a personalized decision, and seeking advice from a qualified financial planner can help you determine if this powerful strategy fits your long-term goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.